Malawian cameras. Welcome back to the YouTube channel Malawian Cameras.
All the historical injustices that have been committed in this country. What's wrong?
Ugu kunali kudoba Naye Julius Kamau amenali activist waku Kenya. Ankulu amene ndithu amenyedwa wazuzidwa diso lokufirako ndithu kumenyedwa ndi apolisi. Ndi apapa after kumanga after kuntani basi palibe chomwe chimasintha kuti munthu yasintha ayi olokuntengera ku court olokuntengera ku polisi kwa mwala ake samatseka mpaka maloya ena abwino ngati achina Julius Kamau anabwera ndithu kuzamuyimirira nkona zoti guys apolisi chimamupanga chinthu chibwana simungamange munthu chifukwa kupanga protest chifukwa kupanga ma demo a peaceful chifukwa iye akungo sakupanga chicho sakungolemba zinthu ndikumangopanga mkulu uyu amakamacha yekha mkulu amene amakapanga mademo yekha paibuso atenga gulu amangopita yekha kamacha basi ndeza Julius Kamau.
That is required by the law. Why are they touching him? He has done nothing. He has harmed nobody. He has picked no stone.
They've hurt him. They've hurt. Can you take a photo of this? They've hurt him.
They've dragged him with the car.
He has done nothing wrong. All these are something that they have done and they know. Hakuna kitu kama hicho.
Chosangalatsa nchakuti mkulu uyu ndithu sikuti amangomacha boma lokha yayi sikuti amangomacha Ruto Ruto president wa Kenya ayi koma amamachaso ma internationals amamachaso zokhuzana ndi colonialism utsamunda timaudziwa uja fatu anthu ambiri sitimaudziwa kuti utsamunda njani yeye ndithu amakhala pa forefront ndikoma amachaso azunguso kuti guys azungu kumene muliko andi fundo zimene amayankhula zoti kuti guys boma system eti nayo ititha kuipanga mmene tingapangira tikitha kuyisintha mmene tingayisinthiremo koma ngati as long as we tigwisa ntchito system yomweyo ya azunguyo ndikuti palibe chimene chingasinthe nde mkulu amene ndithu mademo amene amapanga mademo alokolo komanso international mademo amwemo komanso apanganso mademo sache nde safuna kuti salimbira kuti anthu abwere azamutani azamu tendi kama ayi chimangonyama chokha nkuvaya munsewu ndikapanga mademo I don't know kuti apolisi amalemba nayo chifukwa chani I don't know sindidziwa chifukwa mbali ina zimene ndinkhaza munthu ali achali ndi ufulu oti atha kupanga mademo auyu amakhala very peaceful nosalipo yekha akungolemba chinthu akungoyankhula m'misewu basi ngati I mean what's the problem with that? There's no problem. Maana koma na apolisi nkhaza apolisi basa mabwera ndi kumkhanga kumenya kumlanda koma no anyway anangotopa naye panopa basi tu chifukwa anangoma akungomlanda no zinthuzi anafika pena apo zimangirira like
it's happening because we have refused to address the root problems rather the root cause of our problems unless we address the root cause of our problems we shall continue having these problems. They continue recurring, repeating themselves. It will be a cycle of violence, a cycle of injustice, a cycle of impunity. Unless we stand up as human beings and assist this together, we all have a duty. Each and every one of us has got a duty to stand up and assist, to stand up and say no. Just too much inhumanity of man against his fellow man that we are seeing today. And all this is happening because I believe it's because of the system that we have in power. The system of capitalism, which is only concerned about, or makes people to only get concerned about making money. So sad that we have lost respect for the sanctity of human life and for this country will be judged. I remember one time Martin Luther King Jr. said, America is going to hell. America, this nation also is going to hell because we have refused to address the suffering of our people. In fact, we are the ones who are causing all this suffering to our people. So sad that we have normalized suffering in this country. It's not right at all. Whoever you are, you must feel concerned. We must feel, all of us, that it is our responsibility to stand up and face the system. I've said that for this country to heal, we must address or confront our colonial past. We are still a country that is still kind.
It's funny. I mean, I don't know. Nkola mene amafika pozimangirira. Nangasi afika bantengo amateka afika bantengo baja papolo azimangirira ndi chini. Nangasi apolisi akabodi akakhala nse umabanga protest apolisi amamumanga. Leyo amateka kungofika bantengo baja kungozimangira chini basi. Basi kungozimangirira basi magiki kujosapo kuti asamunyamule bona ngasi amujosapo. You understand? You see, mpaka na polisi abamba bitondi ade kujosapo tukunyamulabe. Guys, we need the activists.
We don't have the right to do that. We have a right to speak out. I'm ready to die for freedom. I'm ready to die for what is true and right. My people, you must speak out. My sons have to die. Die for freedom. Give me death. Oh, give me freedom. Our people are suffering. Our people are dying. My people must come together. We must reason together. And even the Lord is saying, come, let us now reason.
Mota abawona uri amathamanga kupita kusogolo kwawo chakwama kwa akuluakulu achina president ministers funa ukathira mambama mankola amene ndi wamtima te Julius Kamau yayi anapanga mbiri akupanga mbiri
For the people, for the poor people, kill me. I'm ready to die for freedom. Freedom is a sacred right. Yes, freedom. Freedom is a sacred right. And you must freedom. You must unite. Kenyans unite. Poor people must unite. I'm not united.
Then they're just arresting everyone.
Kani nakamba kuti utsamunda sunathe weniweni sunathe ichiso ndithu chimamenya zimenezo chimalata zimenezo kuti utsamunda sunathe udakalipo
who murdered or who killed our people are forcibly stopping us from assembling at Uhuru Park. Read your constitution well. The constitution is very clear on the right to assemble. And you must also remember that people died for this constitution to be realized. Now it is our time to fight these people who are disrespecting our constitution to get out of power. We cannot allow people who did not fight for the constitution to mutilate the same constitution. We will not allow the police, we will not allow William Ruto, the president of Kenya, to mutilate the constitution which was realized by the blood of our patriots. This nation, the problem with this nation, with this country, is that we have refused to address the root cause of our evils, the root cause of our problems. Police killings have said so many times in this country. Police are killing our people. Police are there's no justice in this country. There's no justice for the people in this country. The justice system in this country is broken. We cannot persevere. We cannot go like this. We must fight until the very end. I'm ready to die for Africa. Africa has suffered for so long.
Mutaona kuti akugamba zokhuzana ndi Africa tsopano Africa wasati Kenya yokeyayi. Akuti yayi Africa yakhala kuvutika kwambiri for so long panthawi yaitali kwambiri ineyo I'm ready to die. Ndilele kuti ndimwalire ndithu ineyo. Amene magambira kuti you madam ake amamachira Africa amachira dziko la Kenya.
Why are you arresting me? Because of speaking the truth. Because of speaking the truth to this sick nation. This nation is sick, and this nation must be told the truth. That we are tired of being a slave in our own country. That we are tired of being humiliated in our own land, the land of our fathers. Natives are restless. We must address the issue of poverty. The current problem arises because although This historical imperative that you need to move and not continue to be ruled like this, being ruled by sick people, by mad people, by liars and thieves and criminals. These are the people who are in power in Kenya, in Africa. That is the situation we are living in. That is kind of life we are living in. That's why people are dying and nobody cares. Poor people are suffering, nobody cares. So I don't know what's the role of the government. I don't know. I want to know today what's the role of the government. To protect the people or to kill the people or to make the people suffer. I think we have failed our people. The government has failed. Everybody has failed. We have also failed ourselves. I don't know. My concerns will not allow me to keep silent. And at any time, at any moment. I don't know whether this is going to come up anywhere, but we must have this debate. We must have this conversation. We cannot continue living in fear. I see a lot of fear in this country. A lot of fear in the courts. Just yesterday, we saw a magistrate who was shot by a police officer. I want to speak, my dear friends. I want to speak because when you try to tell me to keep silent, my heart is burning. You know, it's burning because of this country. Because for 60 years, we have been living like we are not human beings, like we are half human beings. We are considered like children of a lesser God. Now, this cannot continue. It cannot continue in any way. We are ruled by a minority that does not care for the interests of the majority. Politicians are like...
Majona, shughuli yangu kwa kumajiru munyolo. Osa obaso, munyolo basa la ngozo. Moji boni Kalindo muja basi. Anyway, bonditu akamure ulendo mejendo wakamurengo menosha. Hey, guys. Hey, yeah, I mean, amuseza.
Guys, Julius is being abducted. Julius is being abducted by the plane.
Like, share, Malawian cameras, right.